Hello, good evening. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks. And today we are going to talk about Tandem Boogie on Shark Tank. We'll get to know more about this product and where to buy the bodyboards and surfboards from, and are they really designed for two. We have more details around this. Please continue to watch this video and also subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. So let's first get to know what exactly is Tandem Boogie. The California-based Clark family of five are determined to transform water sports into a community affair for everyone. Tandem Boogie creates a way for first-timers, tourists, or even those with disabilities to experience the fun of a party wave. The Tandem Boogie is an inflatable bodyboard for two. While a traditional bodyboard comes with an average width of 21 inches, Tandem's Boogie width is about 34 inches. The brand's website described the product as share the joy of catching and surfing waves, shutting down snowy hills, or floating in the lake with your family and friends with the Tandem Boogie Air Bodyboard for two people. The patent pending dynamic air inflatable design allows you to carry the boat anywhere. It rolls up and fits conveniently into a travel bag. You just show up at the beach and pump it up. Includes soft EVA safe handles and a built-in camera mount to capture all the memories. The Tandem Boogie is made with military-grade high-density PVC material that resists corrosion caused by weather, chemicals, impact, and scratching. Its material is used in Zodiac boats used by Greenpeace and US military. The company sells not just boogie boards but also surfboards. The Air Tandem body boards and surfboards are both built with drop stitch material that can hold two people at one time. The company website also says that life is better enjoyed smiling with partners, friends, and family. Tandem Surf Company is dedicated to creating quality products built for two people to enjoy at once. There are also hydroblade fins, which promote quick movement through legs and the feet in order to create the natural flow of a flutter cake. So let's get to know a little bit more about this Clark family, who are the innovators and who have designed this product. According to the company website, the Clark family and the company are based out of surf town of San Clemente, California, and they're passionate about all things ocean and water. With tandem bodyboarding, they realized that they could create a safe and easy way for anyone to enjoy the surf. From this came the design and development of Tandem Boogie as seen on Shark Tank, the perfect product to get people of all skills into waves and enjoying a fun and safe experience. All right. The company's website also says that John Clark believes that the company's goal has always been making riding waves accessible to everyone. According to OC Register, the Clarks ran a shelving company called Modern Shelving together. Prior to starting their boogie board company, they came up with the idea for tandem boogie boards after renting a huge bodyboard and sharing the space with the whole family. The concept of sharing waves on the same board clicked that day, Clark told the outlet. Just that thrill when you get picked up and ride the wave together with someone close to you, that became the tradition for us. The boogie boards can fit two people. The one in the front steers while the person in the back kicks, or the surfers can ride side by side. The boogie boards are available to purchase online. The boogie board and surfboards are available to purchase online. Two-person boogie board can be purchased in pink, teal, orange, blue, and it is currently on sale for the price of about $399. The product is usually sold for $459. The surfboard is a little more expensive. It's only available for pre-order at the time of writing. They are available in orange and blue colorway for the price of about $595 on sale, but $695 regularly. The surfboard is aimed at people wanting to learn to surf safely. So that's all we have in today's video. Please continue to watch this space for more informative videos like this. And thank you for watching. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.